Negations in Filipino. In Filipino, negation is a fundamental aspect of forming sentences. To express negative statements, the language uses several words and phrases that function as negators. The most common negators are hindi and wala. Let's go over in these detail along with examples to help beginners or foreigners learning the language understand how to use them correctly. There are 6 that I will be discussing in this video. The first one is hindi, which is used for negating verbs and adjectives. This is used to negate actions or verbs, descriptions or adjectives, and yes-no questions. So in Filipino, hindi is typically placed before the verb, the adjective, or the phrase being negated. Let us have the following example sentences. Hindi ako kumakain. That means I am not eating. So hindi negates the action kumakain or eating. Hindi siya maganda. He or she is not beautiful. So hindi negates the adjective maganda, which means beautiful. Hindi siya maganda. Hindi sila aalis bukas. They are not leaving tomorrow. Hindi negates the future action aalis or will leave in English. Hindi sila aalis bukas. Hindi ito tama. This is not correct. So hindi negates the adjective tama, which is correct in English. Hindi ito tama. Usage of hindi in questions. Hindi is also used to answer yes or no questions negatively. Example, kumain ka na ba? Have you eaten already? Kumain ka na ba? The answer is hindi pa. Hindi pa. Not yet. The second one is wala for absence and non-existence. So wala is used to express absence of something. There is no, non-possession, or someone does not have something, or negating meron, which is have or there is in English. So it is used when negating the existence or presence of something, whether it's a person, object, or abstract concept. Let us have the following example sentences. Wala akong pera. I don't have money. So wala negates the possession of pera, which is money. Wala akong pera. Wala siyang kasama. He or she has no companion. So wala negates the presence of a companion or a kasama. Wala siyang kasama. Wala dito ang kotse mo. Your car is not here, so wala negates the presence of the car or kotse. Wala dito ang kotse mo or wala dito ang sasakyan mo. Walang pagkain sa mesa. There is no food on the table. So wala negates the existence of pagkain or food in English. Walang pagkain sa mesa. Wala versus hindi. So hindi is used to negate actions or descriptions for verbs and adjectives, while wala is used for negating existence, possession, or location of nouns. Let us have this example. Hindi ako kumain, I did not eat. Hindi ako kumain. Wala. Wala akong kinain, I ate nothing. Wala akong kinain. Wala siya dito, he or she is not here. Wala siya dito. Hindi siya umalis. He or she didn't leave. Hindi siya umalis. The third one is huwag for imperative negation, don't. Huwag is used when telling someone not to do something. It is equivalent of don't in English and is used in commands or suggestions. Let us have these example sentences. Huwag kang umalis. Don't leave. Huwag kang umalis. So huwag here negates the command umalis, which means to leave in English. Huwag kayong mag-ingay. Don't make noise. Huwag negates the action mag-ingay, means to make noise. Huwag kayong mag-ingay. Huwag mo siyang tawagan. Don't call him or her. So huwag negates the action tawagan, which means to call. Huwag mo siyang tawagan. Huwag natin kalimutan ang libro, or huwag nating kalimutan ang aklat. So let's not forget the book. So huwag here negates the suggestion kalimutan, which is to forget in English. Huwag natin kalimutan ang libro. The fourth one is combining hindi and pa, which means not yet. Hindi pa. In Filipino, the word pa means yet or still. When combined with hindi, it creates the phrase hindi pa, which means not yet. Let us have these example sentences. Hindi pa ako tapos. I am not yet finished. So pa adds the meaning of yet. So hindi pa ako tapos. I'm not yet finished. Hindi pa sila dumating. They haven't arrived yet. So dumating means to arrive. And pa is used to show that the action has not yet occurred. Hindi pa sila dumating. Hindi pa kami nagkita. We have not seen each other yet. So pa modifies the verb nagkita, which means seen each other. Hindi pa kami nagkita. The fifth one is hindi ba for tag questions. Isn't it or don't you? So in Filipino, hindi ba is used to form tag questions similar to isn't it or don't you in English. It is often used at the end of a statement to seek confirmation. Let us have the following example sentences. Maganda siya, hindi ba? She's beautiful, isn't she? So hindi ba seeks agreement or confirmation. Maganda siya, hindi ba? Tapos ka na, hindi ba? You're finished, aren't you? So this is used to confirm the action is done. So tapos ka na, hindi ba? Aalis tayo bukas, hindi ba? We're leaving tomorrow, right? So this is used to confirm a future action, aalis or will leave. Aalis tayo bukas, hindi ba? Another one is walang, which means no or none for denying nouns. So walang is a construction of wala plus ng or nang, which is used to negate nouns, and it can be translated as no or none in English. Let us have the following example sentences. Walang tao sa bahay. There is no one at home. So walang negates the noun tao, which means person. So walang tao sa bahay, so a bahay is a house. Walang tubig sa gripo. There is no water in the faucet. So tubig is water and gripo is a faucet. Walang negates the noun tubig, which means water. Walang tubig sa gripo. Walang dahilan para umalis. There is no reason to leave. Walang dahilan para umalis. So walang negates the noun dahilan, which means reason in English. Walang dahilan para umalis. So once again, here's a summary of our negation words. We have the negator hindi, which negates verbs and adjectives. Hindi ako kumain, I did not eat. The second one is wala, which is used for absence or non-existence. Wala akong pera, I don't have money. Huwag, which negates commands. Huwag kang umalis, don't leave. Next one is hindi pa, which means not yet. So hindi pa ako tapos, I'm not finished yet, or I am not yet finished. Next one, the last one is walang, which means no or none. walang pagkain sa mesa, there is no food on the table. It should be noted that negation in Filipino is generally straightforward. Hindi is used for actions and descriptions, while wala negates the existence or presence of something. For negative commands, huwag is used, so learning these negators will help you communicate effectively as they cover various situations like saying no or denying possession or expressing absence. So these rules and examples will help you form negative sentences in Filipino with confidence. I do hope you learned something new from this video. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Maraming salamat for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye!